Hi guys, I'm Lenin K Raj and this is my first video. So guys, if you face any doubt or something is unclear, please make a comment. And today I'll show you how to make a different distance measuring device using an Arduino microcontroller. I have made the meter readings in an analog style using a micro servo. To make this device, we mainly need an Arduino microcontroller, few jumper wires, a micro servo, 6-volt supply, an ultrasonic sensor. Sensor I have used here is a HC-SR04 module. So guys, let's start. Take any medium sized plastic box and make an outline of it in a hard sheet, similar to a cartoon or a form sheet. After that, make a precise cut through the outline markings. Now search for an analog meter reading image in Google and print it on a A4 sheet. After that, cut the markings similar to what we did for cartoon sheet. Apply some glue and paste it over cartoon sheet. After that, take an ultrasonic sensor and a servo and carefully mark its outline as showing in the video. Cut through the markings in order to make a hole. Attach the servo and sensor. Glue it well using a glue gun and attach Arduino board and a 6-volt battery box or the battery using any double-sided tape. Connect the jumper wires as per the diagram.